Make the front throw higher than the cross lift. Crosshair draw straight lines. Cut out the quadrilateral. Outline the forehead hairband. Then remove the facial structure lines. Draw hearts out of ears. Then draw squares on the hairband. Find the fixed point of motivation. Outline structure flower. Heart wing triangle outward connection. Draw the overall direction of the hair. After tidying up that hairstyle after going straight down, draw a large outline and then draw the fingers. Draw irrelevant proportional lines on the side. Cut out the position of the eyes. Start drawing eyebrows. Draw the bridge of the nose. Then draw the shape of the eyes. Then draw the inner details of the mouth and ears. Show off your hair, clothes, and fingers again. Draw the details of the eyes. Then draw the Konoha symbol in the forehead hairband square. Finally, touch up the details of the facial features. Take out the Kasu rubber nylon city stick. Assistant teacher plug-in, genuine leather over the line. Take out the exclusive line pen. Start from the forehead square and finish. Then draw the hairlines. Adjust position. Draw in one stroke. Outline facial features. New overall facial picture. Eyebrows and face painted in one stroke. Remember to be smooth. Don't pause. Then draw some lines for the ears. Then outline the details of the eyelines. As I saw, the painter pays more attention to. Finally, outline the midnight standard in the forehead square. Finish. Thank you, not enough. How can there be no color? Use soft pointed ends for hair. Draw inward along the edge lines. Color can cause some misunderstandings for beginners. Some people say they don't know how to color. In fact, the colors don't have to be exactly the same. Because there will be color difference. And the color you just painted and the color after it dries. There is actually a difference. Therefore, many beginners do not know how to color. The coloring is the same as the sketch brand. The color is deeper and deeper. Direct color. For example, bright red and dark red act as gradient colors. Yellow and orange also play a role in gradient colors. Use like a hair tie. Black and dark gray can be used together as a three-dimensional gradient effect. Use light gray BG1 and GG3 for the forehead square. Finally, use black to deepen the three-dimensional. The coloring techniques and effects of each painting will be different. Some people directly use color to distinguish edge lines. I just used black to outline this picture. Painting must not have a father. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the painting. So the art of painting also needs to follow the wind. The brush charm needs to be carried with you. This way you won't feel like throwing things away at the end of the painting. Finally, subordinates, you follow.